Dear students, today I am going to teach you next topic, judicial powers of parliament. Dear students, I have already taught you legislative powers of the parliament. In this one, I have taught you parliament is empowered to make law on state level subject, union level subject, concurrent level subject, residuary power, ordinances. These points I have taught you. Ratification of ordinances, each and everything I have taught you. And in financial power, I have also taught that budget, money bill, and vote on account, supplementary grant, cut motion. So these all points I have taught you. With reference to the judicial powers of the parliament, I would like to teach you three main points. Means I'll discuss this topic with reference to three headings. First one, impeachment of the president. So dear students, you know this one, how president will be removed from his office. So one constitutional procedure is there, impeachment bill. So very brief I am going to tell you. Impeachment bill can be introduced either house of the parliament. Suppose it has been introduced in Lok Sabha, so minimum 100 members signature required. And when first house it will be initiated in the Lok Sabha, then second house will set up one committee, 3-member investigation committee. If both house will observe that really president is going to violate the constitution, and after that if both houses of the parliament will pass the resolution, pass the impeachment bill by special majority, in bracket we can write 2/3 majority, that is known as impeachment bill, and in after that president of India must have to resign. So this is impeachment bill. Now one more question is there, and this question can be asked also, on which ground impeachment bill can be initiated in the house, either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. So your answer will be there. Two words are there in our constitution: proved misbehavior or OR, incapacity. What do you mean by proved misbehavior? Violation of the constitution. And incapacity, I think you know, this is the easy one. Now next, so this is first point, this is judicial power. Means impeachment means removal of the president, impeach of the president is known as judicial power of the parliament. This is point number one. I have taught whatever I have taught. Point number two, second heading I have taught. I am going to teach you removal of the judges of High Court and Supreme Court. So dear students, what procedure adopted by parliament in removal of the president of India, impeachment of the president of India, same proposal will be adopted in removal of the judges of the High Court and Supreme Court, and Chief Election Commissioner, Controller and Attorney General of India. So these all higher officers can be removed by same process, impeachment bill. And if both houses of the parliament will pass the resolution by 2/3 majority, then respective judge or Attorney General or Chief Election Commission must have to resign. So these are procedure. Last one, third one, very important point. Suppose any person is there or any institution is there, that institution going to obstruct the working of the house, means going to disturb the working of the house, or some unparliamentary word used by any newspaper or any person regarding proceeding of the house. Again I am going to repeat. Suppose any person criticized the proceeding of the house, or any institution is there, institution head, or any person I am talking, or any person related to the media, print media, electronic media, any how many medias are there. Suppose if they criticized the procedure of the parliament, and they used ridiculous language or unparliamentary language, in that circumstances parliament having power to punish them. How? If anybody going to criticize about the proceeding of the house, it will be considered the contempt of the house. Contempt of the house means disrespect shown to the house, means that person doing disrespect, and in that circumstances parliament is empowered to punish that person, that institution, or that media house, or any channel. So third point, one example is there I would like to mention here. The parliament can punish a person for obstructing the work of the parliament or showing disrespect to the house. In 1961, the parliament reprimanded the editor of the Blizd for ridiculing a member of the parliament. So this is one example in 1961. Okay. So these are judicial powers of the parliament. Again going to repeat, recap will be there. In brief, whatever I have taught 3 points. First point I have taught, parliament is power to remove the president of India by passing the impeachment bill. And when parliament is going to pass impeachment bill, so procedure I have taught. So this will be known as judicial power of the parliament. And condition also I have taught, unnecessary parliament will not impeach president of India. If president of India is going to violate the constitution, means proved misbehavior will be there, means he is doing violation of the constitution, and if it has been proved, then only parliament can impeach the president of India. And when I have taught you, in both houses of the parliament will pass the impeachment bill by special majority. Special majority, whenever I am telling, you should understand 2/3 majority, then president of India must have to resign. Second, I have taught you removal of the judges of the High Court and Supreme Court, and other officers' names just I have taught, like Chief Election Commission and Attorney General and other top class officers are there, so they can be impeached or removed by same process. So I have taught you this one, judges of the High Court and Supreme Court also can be removed by same process, proved misbehavior or incapacity, and if both houses of the parliament will pass the resolution by special majority 2/3, then judges of the High Court or Supreme Court, okay, must have to give resignation. So these are important points. And last one I have taught you, if anybody, any person or any institution or media house going to obstruct the working of the house, so that will be considered contempt of the house. Contempt of the house means disrespect shown to the house, and in that circumstances parliament is empowered to punish that person One example I have also taught in 1961. What happened? Parliament taken decision. So these are judicial power, and now I am going to conclude my lecture today, and next day I'll come with another video. Thank you.